Hey guys, I got this product to review, so let's open it up. So inside it comes with 4 different pill organization containers, nicely organized. It also comes with different labeling strips. There are so many little stickers here. There are also white little stickers here. They've also got included numbers as well as days of the week. Comes with this little tab here so that if you struggle getting the container open, this is a really great object that you can just pop it open with. So inside here, let's open it up. There is 8 different containers. There's 2 big ones on the top and then there's 6 smaller ones down here. Now I want to show you with this little thing, it's super easy. See, like I said, if you can't get your finger on here to open it, it's really easy. You can also use this little pick to open it up. This is a moisture control organizer, so you don't need to worry about moisture getting inside of your pill container when you're on the go. Once this is closed, it is locked in, no moisture is getting in. Now, as you can see, the depth of these are pretty great. You can fit a lot of different pills in here. And so I just want to show you guys as well. There's a lot of different pills that do fit in here, and they are secure in here. If you clip it shut, they are secure. They're not going anywhere. Another nice thing though is, say you're traveling and you want to bring your earrings with you. Put them in there, guys. Close it up. And they're ready to go. So this is a multi-use. It's not just a pill organizer, but you can use it also for different things that you need to be bringing with you. These are really great for on the go. If you're traveling, they can fit right in your pocket. These can fit in your purse, in your luggage, whatever you need. These are great for on the go though. I definitely recommend these. Go check them out.